Organize your truck bed and protect your essential gear with Putco's Truck Bed Molle Panels. These are going to be sold individually and available for your bulkhead panel, your driver's side, your passenger side, and your tailgate. These are going to be manufactured from 10th-inch aluminum in Des Moines, Iowa, USA. And we have a nice bend here as well after the laser cut process. So you have a really rigid panel. It's going to keep its finish a lot better than a steel panel where it'll rust, or a rubber panel where it'll kind of degrade and break over time. So really great material here. It's going to mount to factory mounting points too. So no drilling required, no modification of the vehicle whatsoever. We have a patented bracket system that'll mount directly to OE panels. Each Molle panel is super custom to the vehicle as well. So all your tie-down anchors, your mounting points, your lights, your plugs, all accessible still with our Molle system. We actually designed these to give you the most Molle per vehicle too. So we go over that wheel well in one piece and give you more Molle. Some vehicles will split into two pieces, like your Fords, where there's like that bump that comes out. So we have really custom panels as well. We have a variety of accessories for the Molle panel too. You can see in front of me I have our Molle grips and Molle mounts. The Molle mounts will have a fit right into the grid perfectly and have a 1/4-inch socket right in the middle, so you can kind of mount any gear you have. Really modular, and then you also have our Molle grips that'll attach to the Molle mount perfectly and give you kind of a rubber clamp to mount your gear to as well. So we have some solutions available for you, and then there's also a lot of other things that other manufacturers make that we try to be as modular for as well. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, it's going to be our Molle panel, compatible with any bed rug, spray-in bed liner, drop-in bed liner. It's going to be a great part. So check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or www.putco.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.